Hey guys, this is Chad and Tony K with round two. So we're coming in for our March 2020 video, but we're going to do something a little bit different this month. As a lot of you guys know, there's a lot of delays and stuff at the factory, so they're back going again, which is great. It's all doing well. We got a lot of new stuff coming, but just not as much to show for March. So we want to take a moment and show you guys a lot of these new tools that we got coming out for Auto World 164th, the true 164th tools. So quite a few of these we've shown just as photos on our Facebook page, but this will give you a chance to go a little more in depth, see what else is cool about them, and see some of the other features. And then at the end of the video, we do have another tool that we haven't shown yet, so you're probably going to want to stick around for that. So Tony K, he's our brand manager for Auto World and Johnny Lightning diecast brands and racing champions as well. So he's kind of going to take the wheel here, talk through a lot of this stuff, and tell you guys all this cool stuff we got coming out.
All right, thanks, Chad. Hey guys, how you doing? First off, just want to show you guys our first test shot of our 1975 Cadillac Eldorado. It's a beast. I mean, it's a king of the streets. It's just a huge vehicle, and we produced a couple other Cadillacs in the past, and this is just a new one to our fleet of Cadillacs. So basically, we have our exquisite detail and true to scale. We have our opening hood with showing our front wheel drive engine and chassis. And basically it's just an awesome casting, and can't wait to bring this guy out. So next up we have our Stealth, our Dodge Stealth. We have you can do this in two versions. You can do this as your twin turbo all-wheel drive, or you can do it without the twin turbo. We can actually remove the spoiler on the rear, so you can do both versions of it, with or without the spoiler. And same thing with this one. We have true to scale. The hood opens to show your twin turbo engine in here, and then of course your detailed chassis underneath as well. So a lot of there's some things we're still tweaking on this one a little bit, but overall it's coming along really nicely. All right, next up we have our 65 Suburban. Actually, you can do a 66 with this as well. It's just another one that has been missing from the diecast community, and we bring this one out. It's just an amazing piece, and this one here has your opening hood as well. Showing your small block engine in here. And then also we have your stock wheels that we've tooled up for this, and then also your detailed chassis underneath. Another really nice piece, true to scale, and it's very cool. Putting this side by side with some of our other smaller castings, and just seeing how big this Suburban actually is. All right. Well, next up we have our Supra. I'll show you this one first. This is our 93 to 2002 Supra that we can do. We actually tooled this with two different front cores, two different hoods, which is one of the Euro version with the hood, and then you can do it with the rear spoiler and without. So here's the other version of it as well. Put that right beside it so you can see the differences, but there it is without the spoiler, and then with the two different hoods and the two front cores. We have the clear headlights on them, to show a little more detail. Interior, chassis, everything's all nicely detailed underneath, and then also you've got your 2JZ motor in here, and for some really, really nice detail.
There's incredible detail on that engine bay.
Yeah, so really make these things look as best as they can, and we feel right now they're turning out. Well, there's a few tweaks we still have to do, but overall they're turning out really, really nicely. All right, next up we have our 2020 Corvette. Check out that bad boy right there. we've been, as you know, there's been a redesign on the whole Corvette program, and we're bringing it out to you guys. We tooled it up with 2 different sizes of the wheels, to give it that authenticity, and then all the body lines are spot on, and then also we actually made it so we can open up the rear to show you that beautiful engine.
The first Corvette you're not opening the hood on, right?
Yep, exactly. Who would have thought? We've been talking about it forever, but finally happens. Anyway, it looks amazing. Can't wait to bring this one out, and just a lot of very nice detailed underneath, and just overall, just a beautiful casting. Okay, well, next up we have our, this one here is actually our 2018 to 2020 Camaro ZL1, and actually this, we tooled it up so we can do 2 versions. This one's actually your ZL1 1LE, and basically what the differences are on the ZL1 1LE to the ZL1, there are a different front core. It's got the bigger, the grill is actually different texture. The sides stick out more for aerodynamics. The wing is taller in the back, and the wheels are actually a little bit smaller compared to the ZL1. So I'm going to put this one right beside it, and this is the ZL1 version. As you can see, the spoiler is shorter, the front core is different, and then the wheels are different as well. And then if you hoods open up as well, and then you can see this bad boy of the supercharged engine sitting in there. So once again, another beautiful castings to our lineup. We have we try to bring you guys a mix of castings throughout the years, new, old. We're venturing into other territories as far as imports and
got imports, trucks, yachts,
Jeeps,
new Corvettes.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot of variation, which is great.
A lot of detail underneath as well on this one. We always try to incorporate as much detail as we can on these castings. Some of them it all depends too. There might be some different trim levels. We might keep maybe an engraved line off, which that'll give us a different version that we can do, like on our next guy that I'll show you guys. So you guys ready for this next one?
Up for the surprise, the next one coming up.
Okay, well, here we go. We have our 1963 Chevy Nova station wagon. Basically this one here you can do in many trim levels, and that's what I was just talking about. We left one particular line off. That way we can do your your Chevy 400, your Chevy 2400, your 300, or your 100. So there was different trim levels available from GM back then. Back then there were so many different things, in 60s and 70s that you could do just by options and trim packages. One other thing about this casting too, we actually tooled. You might notice those are not the factory rims for this one. We do have them that we are going to use in the future, but we actually tooled another set of wheels, which are your Baby Moons, which are has been just a very popular wheel that was used throughout the era of muscle cars, and so it was just nice to bring this out to have a different wheel in our tooling lineup as well. That's one thing we try to do for all our castings is incorporate the actual wheel and the authenticity to match the vehicle. But it's nice also to have some other options to make different variations.
And even the width of the wheels too, which is another thing that we hear a lot, on occasion where people will review like, well, why are the tires so skinny? Well, this is true 1/64th, so Tony makes it a point that everything is exactly how it's supposed to be, and just the level of detail is great on them. I mean, perfect.
Believe it or not, wheels take quite a bit of time to to get scaled right and make sure all the proportions look correct.
And as we showed off a lot of these other ones throughout the year, it's been a lot of different stuff, a lot of new changes. So it's always fun on the social media when people will say like, well, don't forget the wagons. We need our wagons. So it's kind of fun knowing that we had this Nova sitting here and just saying, just wait. So.
Yeah, one other thing about the Nova, we have our your inline six. I don't know if you can see that. And just a nice detail to have a a straight six in there. So it's a beautiful casting. Can't wait to bring this out. We have, like I said, we have quite a few castings in the works. We have some new ones that are being worked on as well. So keep the lookout. We have more coming.
Yeah. As always, we'll do sneak peeks on our Facebook with some of those other castings that we still haven't shown yet. We'll put the links to our Facebook pages down below, our Instagram pages as well. You can go to round2corp.com and check out some of that stuff. Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you really like kind of the new format of the video. Next month, we got a lot more product coming that we're going to show you.
Yeah.
Thanks again, Tony.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. My pleasure.
We're
Thank
really
you, guys.
excited. So let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, the channel's been growing quite a bit. So go ahead and subscribe to it, and we'll keep the videos coming.
All right.
Thanks again, guys.
All right. Thanks again.